Well, the van's in trouble. That's partly why I haven't been able to go far and make some exploring videos or some traveling videos, because it's crippled. I can't actually really go too far. I have brake problems. Let's start from the symptoms. So a week or two ago, the brake pedal had pressure when I was braking, but then it would go slowly down, not all the way to the floor, but it would just felt really weird. So I went to the mechanic, and the diagnosis was that the ABS system was faulty. It was the ABS module was faulty, and they told me that Ford doesn't make that part anymore. Go figure. They made so many of these Econoline vans, yet they don't make the part anymore. Supposedly it's not a common issue, so I guess they didn't sell many modules. I ended up finding a place that can fix them from a friend of mine, and they fixed the ABS module. Simple, easy for me to take out, send it out, and then install it back in. It was like 4 bolts and 2 harnesses, and it's not super hard to reach. I installed it back. That fixed the ABS light, and it fixed the ABS system because I tried it. I braked really hard and I can feel it working, but it didn't fix the pedal problem. So here we are today. I have an appointment with the mechanic at 1:30 p.m. and hopefully they can diagnose the problem and see if they can fix it. It could be that the brake lines either have air in them. It could be the brake master cylinder is going out, and they mentioned something else that I don't want to think about. So we'll see. Might be a little bit pricey. So yeah. Right now I am at the Home Depot parking lot because it's kind of close to the mechanic shop, but it's only like 8:20 in the morning, so they have Wi-Fi. Hopefully I can get some work done while I wait for my appointment at 1:30 p.m. and hopefully get out of there today. That's my only worry. And I did talk to them and I asked them, hey, I need to drive this thing out of here today. So if 1:30 is not late enough, it'd be great. And they said, no problem, Stefan. We'll see. So far, I've been happy with them, but I think they're like slowly going downhill as a mechanic shop, because they wanted to charge me a lot of money for labor, which I got done in 10 minutes taken out, 10 minutes putting back in. That worries me. Anyway, it's coffee time. I have to say, this is probably the worst nightmare for somebody that lives in a vehicle, because this is the home that you have. And so far, she's been pretty reliable, but things happen. I do try to keep up with the maintenance. I have changed the brake fluid before. I always try to fix it right away, but this is an important one because it's the brakes. I don't want to not be able to brake. We're gonna get you fixed, and then we're gonna go on adventures. Ganapati. Coffee is much needed right now. Oh, that's hot. You know, it could be worse. It could be undrivable. I mean, it still drives. I can't really go very far, but I want to go far. I want to go explore. This is basically what this channel is about. This is basically what you and I have been doing this whole time. We've been going places, show all the great stuff, and make it seem like stuff doesn't happen, because it does happen. I've been lucky so far that not many bad things have happened yet with the van, but this is one of them. and it sucks. At least I eliminated the ABS module thing. That got fixed. I installed that. ABS light is off, which is great, so that works. We're doing a process of elimination because when I was talking to my mechanic, what do you think about these symptoms? Do you think it's the master cylinder? And he's like, yeah, that's a possibility, but it could be something else. Unless you bring it in, we can't know for sure. You know, it could range from like a few $100 to like I don't know even want to say it, but yeah, thanks for listening. It really helps. All right. Okay. I can't sit still. You know, as much as I would like to sit in here and just chill, I can't sit in the Home Depot parking lot. I need to find the park, but first I just realized when I was making my coffee that I'm running out of water, and in this complex there's actually a water dispenser, so I'm just gonna go fill that up really quick and then we'll find the park or something. I need to be in some sort of nature for some reason right now. That's what I'm feeling. We have the water spigots right there. There's Van. I love it. I forgot to hit record, but I basically transferred the last of this in here because this is a little less than half. What I'd rather do is go with these 2 jugs twice and then fill this up with 2 gallons extra and then fill these up with another 2 gallons. The things that you need to do as a van life. I might as well do some errands since I'm kind of waiting for the mechanic. Second round. Well, this one's almost full. It's gonna last me for a week at least. And I have these 2, and that's a big reason why I like to keep all of them. So this is 5 gallons. And of course, if this like is completely empty, I'll just go fill it up by itself. So I'm not gonna use these. But if I run out of water from these ones and this still has water in it, then I'll just fill up with the smaller ones. And plus, I guess I'm exercise when I go back and forth. You're getting real van life stuff over here. This is sawdust that goes in my toilet slash my stool around the van. It does 2 things. It's basically just a bucket with a bag, black bag I might add because obvious reasons, and I use this to cover stuff. That goes back there. Errand done. All right, let's really go and see if we can find a park and relax and drink my coffee. It's still, oh, it's 10 o'clock. Time's flying when you're having fun, right? I'm about to start the car and I'll film the pedal for you. of course, when I'm trying to film it, it doesn't do it. Oh, there we go. I took the curb. Let's see if the tire is damaged. I took that curb pretty hard. We're good. I think we're good. These tires are beefy. Skull ball over there, and a little table with a chest top if you need it. And I forget the name of this game, but I'm sure some of you will tell me in the comments below. I've never played it. I would like to start playing games like that. Park is not too bad. They have some workout equipment around. You can walk around or run around. Pickleball, tennis court, one basketball court, and restrooms. Not too bad. Gotta say, I was complaining in the last video that it was super hot, and all of a sudden like this, I feel, I can smell it in the air that the fall is coming. I mean, the fall is here. Didn't feel like that until now. I can feel the breeze. This is a perfect day for van life. Well, except the obvious that I need to go to the mechanic. We gotta take him and roll with the punches. Also, I haven't really done a vlog like this in a while, so let me know if you like this and I'll make more. And we'll walk around and talk and show you things that everyday life brings. Well, I'll see you guys back when I'm going to the mechanic. It is time to make my way over to the mechanic. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. We're here, we made it. Well, that was quick. They don't have enough technicians, even though I had an appointment. So I have to go back on Friday. Hopefully they have enough technicians then. At least it's Friday morning and it's not in the middle of the day. So I'll see you then. Well, I am leaving the mechanic shop on Friday. They diagnosed it. They can't fix it today, but we know what it is. It's gonna be pricey. Anyway, I kind of wanted to give you guys the update and all that stuff so I can get this video out to you this weekend. And I will see you in the next one, and I'll let you know as soon as it gets fixed. I can still drive it until next week, but it needs to get done. Oh yeah, it was the master cylinder and the brake lines are getting rotted, so they both need to get fixed.